Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 14T Pro, and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So let's start with opening the settings. We have to tap on them and now scroll down to the very bottom to find the additional settings. Now we have to find accounts and sync. Let's tap on add account. Choose Google and make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. You will have to confirm everything with the screen lock if you've got one set, of course. And now you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or type your email or phone. So let me do it and tap on next. Right here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on next. Here we have to decide who will be using this device, so it's totally up to you. Just mark the option and tap on next. Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, you can tap on them and learn more, and I highly recommend to do it. Then tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so just tap on accept. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. You can also remove it whenever you want to. Just tap on the account, tap on more, and tap on remove account. Tap on remove account again. Of course, confirm it with tapping on OK and entering your screen lock. And as you can see, we just successfully removed our Google account from this device. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.